this is Karen from Grace Be Creations. I hope everybody is doing wonderful. It has been a while since I've done a video. I've been super busy. Hopefully in the new year, things are going to calm down to a slower pace, and I'll get back to doing more videos. And so I miss you all so much. A lot of people have been messaging me asking if I'm okay, everything, you know, I miss your videos and I appreciate that so much. I love you all so much. I have been just really busy with a lot of things, and there's a lot of new things happening in my life. A lot of big changes are going to be coming next year. One of them being also on my YouTube. I have exciting things coming up, and I'm definitely going to share it with you in the new year. But I am sharing a design team project for Crafty Me Shop tonight. I am sharing it before the busyness of the holidays come. This is my last design team project before Christmas. And I just not going to have any time to post it until then. Tonight's my only night I can record, so I just wanted to share this all with you. I started this project about 3 weeks ago. I would say about 3 weeks ago, and I put it aside because it wasn't where I wanted it to be yet. And I decided to do the angel topper because it's Christmas and I've really been nostalgia. And you know, I've been really feeling the Christmas spirit, and this Christmas just means a lot to me. And so I decided to do the angel topper from my first design team project for December. And then I wanted to post another project before Christmas comes because I don't know how much time I'm going to have the rest of this month. So this is my second design team project for December, and I finally finished it up yesterday, and I thought, okay, I'm going to go ahead and post it. And it's funny because I've been so proud of this project. It's another clutch pin holder, but it's a little bit different. And it was... you'll see what I mean when I open it. It's a little bit different in the way that I made from my last one that I made. My first clutch pin was also made with some of the satin, but this one has a little surprise in it, which I love. But it has all the beautiful laces by Crafty Me Shop, and I took apart some of the appliques to make the beautiful like flowers on each corner. This is one of her butterfly flowers, and then I also have a stick pin here that's got one of her new little flowers that she has. If you look there, isn't that gorgeous? And then I used one of her pins that I got in one of her boxes. Of course, all of her beautiful trim. And then I took apart one of those bows. The fabric there that has the bow on it. I'll show you. I still have a lot of them. It's the one that came from this. She sells them a lot, and I just took apart one of them and used it for the edging there. And then I did like a regular bow underneath using her lace. And then I did a ruffle on the sewing machine, using it into the closure part, using her beautiful trim. I just got this one in last week. I absolutely love it. Let me open it up and show you. I'm so excited about this. I absolutely love the inside of this. And it's funny because I shared it with a couple of people. They're like, post it, post it, post it. And I'm like, it needs something. And I figured out what I needed, and now I'm happy with it. Now, the fun thing about the inside of this is I used a lace of hers that kind of goes like on an angle this way, and it left like this little half moon shape. And so I decided to put another lace behind it and make like a peek-through window, like a peekaboo window. And I love this part. Probably my favorite part of the clutch. And then of course we have the satin that lines the whole entire clutch. And we have some beautiful, just to show you how well it holds all the beautiful laces by CMS. And then I did the stick pins, and I used all the little roses that she recently sold. I love these little roses. They're so cute. She sold them in the bigger ones and the smaller ones. I love the small ones. I think they're adorable. So I just added them to the stick pins and did my little heart stick pins. I made these all new. And I did all that. This is like a belly band in the center, and then I sewed a button right in the center. And then we got the ruffle on the top. I love the pocket. And you can like have the lace front here where you can put like a little like stick pin with like little needles in there, and you've got your lace or fabric. And then you've got your pins you can use. You can put your regular needles up here as well. I just love how this came out. I'm super happy with it. And I used a little stick pin with a little flower here. This came off of one of her I can't think, it's late for me, trims. She has one of these trims that's got like a flower and then a round bow, and I took off one of the flowers and put it on there. It's like a flat, it's a flat pin. If you look on the other side, it's got the flat, and I added one of the flowers on there, and I loved how that looked. But yeah, this is my stick pin clutch, and I loved my last one, and this one I just fell in love with, but I just knew it was missing something. And once I found that little something, you know how when you make a project and you're like, it's missing something, you just got to put it aside. You don't force it on yourself to, you know, just post it or show it if you're not ready yet. I needed to think a little bit on it, and once I did that, then I came back to it and I loved it. Now these down here, these come off of a bigger flower that she sold that I took the top off. What I did, it's funny because I used this for the neck on my angel, but I took the top part of this off of here, and what I'm going to do is use an embellishment in the center to use the rest of the flower. I know Esme is always telling us when she sells lace, you can clip it here and clip it there, and you can use it in all different ways. And that's what I did with this, because I didn't want to post the whole flower there. That's way too big. It would have been too gawky. So I just took the top off and just put them on the bottom. And I love how that came out. So that is my design team project for December. And what I did is I just put this butterfly flower, but I call it a butterfly flower. I think it's both. And just stick the pin down there over the bow. And there you go. And this is the closure here. So that is my design team project. And I want to go ahead and show you one more thing before I end this video. It's got one thing on there that's that I bought from Crafty Me Shop. Actually, it's not supposed to tie. Let me show you. I'm working on a book right now, and it's going to be a series after the new year. And the reason why I'm showing this is because I actually used the vintage laces that I got from one of Esme's recent vintage sales that she did. And I got this beautiful doily, and it's big. I absolutely love it. And so I decided to make it as a book cover. And so I am in the process of working on this book. I already made the signature for it, and I already showed some people it, and I am working on a series for this, and that'll be beginning right after Christmas, and I'm so excited to be doing that with you. So it just goes to show that even Esme's vintage laces that she sells is chef's kiss. absolutely the best stuff that you can get. I'm telling you, I love Esme's laces. Make sure if you have not joined yet, head over to Crafty Me Shop. I'm going to leave you a link in the description below. Her sales are on the weekend, although she is not having a sale this weekend. She is off for Christmas, so she will not be doing a sale until after Christmas. She'll be back on the 27th, but I will definitely leave a link below for you to go check out Crafty Me Shop. If you join and you want to be a part of her sale, make sure to send her a message with your Send her or Maggie a message with your PayPal information so that when she does have a sale, that you will be able to be sent an invoice right away, pay it, and then you get your item shipped right to you. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this project, and I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful Christmas holiday, you and your family. And I will see you guys after the holiday. Have a good night, guys. Bye.